Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to unlink your phone number from apps, different apps, not just one of them. So for example, open the app, say Discord or Telegram, add to settings or account, look for the phone number or security. If it's linked, you'll see an option to change number or remove. Tap it, verify with a code if needed, then either skip adding a new one or switch to an email login instead. Done in the app, you're halfway there. So if you don't have a in-app option, you need to go deeper. On Android, hit settings, after that apps, then of course search for the app you want to remove the phone from, then storage, clear data. This logs you out, often unlinking the number. So in iOS, go to settings, your name, sign in and security, then apps using your Apple ID and revoke access. And that's it, mobile number unlinked from your apps. Love this, guys. Smash that like button, subscribe and comment your tricky app below. See you in the next one. Stay untangled.